Protect your Spyder RT from the elements during indoor or outdoor storage. This cover is compatible with the Spyder RT, RTS, RT Limited, RT Special Series, RT Audio Inconvenience, and the RT Limited Sea to Sky. Just please pick the correct size depending on the year that your Spyder was manufactured. In this video we show the size 2020 and up. When comparing the two sizes that we offer, that is 2019 and prior versus 2020 and up, there is absolutely no difference in terms of the look, the feel, or the features. The only difference, of course, is the dimensions of the cover.
Starting off with the front. This cover also comes with nice waterproof seam, and again also has the signature gears inside protector for your windshield, non-scratch. Now that we have the cover loosely on here, this also comes with a top bag extension. So if this unit didn't have a top case, you would be zipping this up and it would tighten the cover up, make it look a lot nicer. But it has its own little compartment because this unit does have one. Just on the inside here. Velcroed in. Now this unit also doesn't have arm extensions, or armrests, sorry, but it would have space if it did to take any of that extra space back out. This unit doesn't have that, so again, we'll zip this back up. All right, now coming to the back, we have a buckle here, just tightens the cover up some more. Then coming down, it is an elastic band at the bottom. Keeps everything nice and tight. There is a strap that goes through the center of the unit that will tighten up. And also in the front here, we have another strap for the front tire. This comes on the back side, so we'll kind of throw it around here, reach in and buckle it, and then it has tighten it up some. So it's going to stop any of the cover from coming up. So we have both straps on both sides. Down on this side, nice and tight. Okay, and then we'll also come to the vents, which are on the back side here. Prevents any condensation from building up inside the cover. We have one on the right, one on the left here.
So guys, that pretty much wraps it up for the Gears Can-Am Spyder RT cover. If you have any questions at all based on this video, feel free to reach out to our customer happiness team. We can be called or texted at 647-400-3081. And as with all of Gears products, we do offer an ironclad 1-year warranty, so you can rest assured that you'll be taken care of. What are you waiting for? Add to cart and seize your adventure.